Quick question, did you know your TV can become wall art? If you have a TV in your living room, it doesn't have to be a black screen anymore. Over the past few weeks, I've been experimenting with creating framed TV art using Canva and AI tools, turning simple visuals into calming artwork you can display on your television. Since this channel is all about creating beautiful designs and visuals, I thought it would be fun to start sharing some of these as ambient TV art videos as well. You can simply play them on your TV and instantly turn it into relaxing wall art for your home. And the best part? Watching these videos actually helps the channel reach the watch hours needed for YouTube monetization. As a small thank you for your support, I've also added some of these digital artworks as downloads you can use for your own TV screens. Let me know what styles you would love to see next. Nature, minimal, seasonal, or something else. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. See you next time. Bye bye.